Welcome students. Today I shall explain you about the Aschelminthes. Aschelminthes, otherwise known as Aschelminthes. First of all, you know the nomenclature of the Aschelminthes. The name Aschelminthes was proposed by the Groben, G-R-O-B-B-N. Groben, G-R-O-B-B-N. Groben, that is the spelling of the name of the Groben. Okay, the Groben in 1910 proposed this name of the Aschelminthes as Aschelminthes. Aschelminthes. Okay, the name Aschelminthes was proposed by the Groben. Okay, in 1910, in place of the older name Aschelminthes, it has been derived from two Greek words, askus, known as askus, other word is called as helminths. Okay, ascus and helminths. Ascus means sacs and helminths means orbs. Okay, ascus means sacs or cavity and helminths means worms. W-O-R-M-S, worms. Let us know about the general characters of this phylum Aschelminthes. First character, they are mostly aquatic, free living or parasitic in form. Second character, usually small, even microscopic. Some reach a meter or more in length. That means they were very conspicuous. Third character, body is slender, vermiform, unsegmented, flat or cylindrical and bilaterally symmetrical and triploblastic also. Fourth character, organ system grade of body organization. Head not distinctly formed with well-defined sense organs. Body wall with a syncytial or cellular epidermis, externally covered with thick cuticle of scleroprotein. Seventh character, cilia absent except the anterior cilia of rotifers. Character number 8, musculature includes mostly longitudinal fibers. Characters 9, body cavity a pseudocele not lined by mesoderm. You know the coelomic cavity is a cavity which one is originated at the place of mesoderm. When mesoderm splitted up and it gives off two sublayers. One sublayer is called as peripheral peritoneal layer, other one is called as visceral peritoneal layer. The peripheral peritoneal layer would be connected on the underlining of the body wall, while the visceral peritoneal layer would be attached on the wall of the alimentary canal. In there, the cavity is called as coelomic cavity, and in this cavity, other organosystem would be remain, except the digestive system. Okay, in case of your Aschelminthes, such type of body cavity is not noticed. That means body cavity which one is present in there, that is not originated from the mesoderm. So, body cavity a pseudocele, not lined by the mesoderm in here. 10th character, digestive canal complete with mouth, specialized pharynx, straight non-muscular intestine, and posteriorly you find anus. Okay, the 11th character known as here, in that system you must find the alimentary canal is well developed in there, but no circulatory system, no respiratory system in here. Respiratory system of the protonephrodia in some cases, and also be called as the canals in somewhere, and cloaca present in some cases also. 13th character, nervous system of the cerebral ganglia or your circumcentric or circumteric nerve ring with the anterior and posterior nerves. That means nervous system is present as a diffused manner. They are not properly organized. Okay, cerebral ganglia or your circumcentric nerve ring must be there with the anterior and posterior nerves also. Mostly they are dioecious, that is the 14th character, and male and female are well differentiated. Male usually is smaller in sizes than the female. Gonads and ducts single or double. Eggs with your chitinous cell, cleavage determinant, and spiral. Character 15th, known as the development usually direct with no larval stages, but some cases development also be indirect with a complicated life history and larval system is there. And by these aspects, we people can differentiate the Aschelminthes or nemat-helminthes from other helminthes and other organisms. And the animal beings which are remain under the Aschelminthes or nemat-helminthes, they are usually called as round worms. Round worms, R-O-U-N-D, round, W-O-R-M. Round worm in singular, round worms in the plural term. Okay, and this group also further divided into 4 different small groups which are called as the phylum. Okay, and Aschelminthes includes one very large group, and they are also be called as nematodes, and nematoda and 4 smaller groups also be remain under it. Okay, Aschelminthes or nemat-helminthes includes one very large group named nematoda and other 4 smaller groups. Totally you find 5 smaller groups which are called as smaller subphyla, and they are named as rotifera, gastrotecha, and Thincha, and also nematomorpha. In these manners they will be differentiated up. Okay, then next day I shall explain you about them. Thank you all.